So that's three things that I do real quickly when it comes to your miracle morning. For me, it's three M's, like the three M&Ms, right? So one is you can meditate for 10 minutes and also do your gratitude at the same time. It's motivation, right? And that motivation could be like a motivational video. Move your body, get out of the bed, do a little bit of walking. Hey, are you struggling on making your first $500 a month on your home-based business? If yes, this is the video for you to start watching right now. I'm gonna drop some really crazy golden nuggets. Let me tell you. I'm gonna give you a quick 5 steps, okay? Quick 5 step on how to plan your work, okay? So you can work the plan. It is no way you can start making money without having a plan, right? The things that I'm going to share with you in this 5 steps is going to help you so much to achieve what you want. Because once you can achieve that first $500 every month in your home-based business, it is no cap that you can go for 700, 800, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, whatever you want. But you got to know the basic, right? So what is the 5 quick steps how to plan your work? Then your work can work for you, right? Work the plan, basically. So if you have no idea who I am, my name is Di Carter. I am a mama of twins, blonde hair and blue eyes. I absolutely love creating leaders, love working with self-motivated people because motivation comes from within, right? You can't motivate people to do things. They have to have the desire to want to do it, right? To take that first step and be a little bit uncomfortable so that way you can grow. So let's start. So number one, you have to have your own miracle morning. Like, what do you do in the morning that's gonna make you feel like I got this, right? I'm going to do it. It's going to happen. I am whatever rank or promotion that you want it to be. So that's three things that I do real quickly when it comes to your miracle morning. For me, it's three M's, like the three M&Ms, right? So one is you can meditate for 10 minutes and also do your gratitude at the same time. The other M, it's motivation, right? And that motivation could be like a motivational video. You can do a little bit of journaling. That could take another 5, maybe 10 minutes if you wanted to do that. And the third M, it's move. Move your body. Get out of the bed. Do a little bit of walking. So I have this amazing video that's only like 15 minutes of walking that I found on YouTube. I can definitely share with you. Just make sure to reach out to me. I'll send it to you, the link. And it helps me move from home if you don't want to get out of your house, right? But those three M's are so important for your miracle morning. Your meditation, your motivation, and 3, move. So number 2, there are 5 quick steps, okay, to help you to make that first $500 and then, keep making that money, of course, every month and scale from there. You have to know this part. Number 2, prospecting, right? Like, who are you going to prospect? Who are you going to talk to? That's important. Like, what is the social media? What's the platform you're going to be at to be able to be contacting, connecting, and building new friendship? You got to know this part. So I like to actually print out my Facebook list. That just makes so much easier for me. And I also have a planner where I put everybody names in there, right? So I keep myself organized. Number 3, presenting. How are you going to present your products, your opportunity? Does your company have a video? Do they have a PDF? Do they have, like, what do you share with them? And think about this. If you were to share that to yourself, would you say yes? That's a really important question. Okay. Number four, following up. When to follow up once you share the information? I would say right away. If your video is only like 10 minutes, right? You wanted to follow up with them in 15 minutes, like right away. I also have a whole method for follow up that I share with my team, and they love it. But I would say the first 30 minutes, the first 24 hours, the first 48 hours, and then hopefully, your company has a follow up system too. Maybe it's automatic one. I don't know how that works, but this is how I know that people be able to make the first 500. How I know that people be able to make the first $500 a month. Okay. And they'll be happy. Trust me, so many people. They're like, oh my God, thank you so much. I can't believe that I'm doing this from home. So, number five, it's getting people started. So, whenever you signed up people to work in your business, you got to have a system, and it has to be simple, and everybody knows it. Everybody's doing it, and everybody's creating success and duplicating at the same time. This is when you're going to scale to go way beyond $500. It's whenever you do number five correctly. Thus, your company has a super simple system. Not just to say it is a simple system, because everybody can say it's a simple system, but is it really working? Is it your people duplicating? That is the question. So hopefully those five quick steps helped you on planning your day as you working your online business, right? If you don't have those steps here, it will be really, really hard for you to move on, because this is the basic of how to create success. Hopefully this was really helpful for you guys. I love you.